Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the ATEC 8GB kit, specifically designed as an upgrade for HP retail POS systems like the RP5 5810 and RP5800. This kit includes two 4GB DDR3 DIMMs, running at a speed of 1,600 MHz. For those unfamiliar, the RP5 5810 and similar POS systems are workhorses, often found in retail environments where reliability is key. However, the stock memory configuration can sometimes be a bottleneck, especially when running multiple applications or dealing with large datasets. That's where this ATEC kit comes in. The ATEC kit is a PC3-12800 unbuffered DMM, operating at a standard 1.5E. This is important because it ensures compatibility with a wide range of systems that support DDR3 memory. The fact that it's non-ECC is typical for this type of memory and perfectly fine for the intended use case. Installation is straightforward as it's a standard UDIM. Simply power down your system, open it up, and carefully install the modules into the appropriate memory slots. Make sure to consult your system's manual for the correct installation procedure. The immediate benefit of upgrading to 8GB of RAM is a noticeable improvement in system responsiveness. Applications load faster, multitasking becomes smoother, and the overall user experience is significantly enhanced. This is particularly important in a retail environment where speed and efficiency are crucial. ATEC is a reputable brand known for producing quality memory modules. This kit is designed to meet or exceed industry standards, ensuring reliability and longevity. While it might not be the flashiest component, it's a practical and cost-effective upgrade that can breathe new life into older POS systems. If you're looking to boost the performance of your HP retail POS RP5 5810 or RP5800, the ATEC 8GB kit is definitely worth considering. It's a simple upgrade that can make a big difference in day-to-day operations.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.